Labrador Park barbecue disappearance. This happened during the mid-80s. We planned a barbecue which would take us there around midnight after a function. When we reached the hilltop, it was almost midnight. During those days all the lampposts will automatically switch off at midnight. At first we wanted to take a shortcut through the old petroleum pipeline staircase, but since it was too dark without the lamppost we had to take a longer way cutting through the park going down a long staircase which led to the middle of the park facing the sea. We arrived we had to use the barbecue pit, 3, in the center of the park, as the one nearest to the toilet, barbecue pit, 2, was already occupied, and the remainder too far. As some of us started preparing the fire, about 4 of us including myself took along a pail to toilet to fill up water. Along the way to the toilet we could see the people at pit 2, still barbecuing away, pretty smoky however after we filled our pail and on the way back to our pit, those people at pit 2, were gone. We merely spent about 10 minutes in the toilet, how could those people at pit 2, vacate so fast leaving without a trace? Even inspected the pit but there was no sign of any barbecue activity, no burning charcoal, or if to eliminate barbecue fire usually we pour water over pit, but there was totally nothing, and the rubbish bin next to pit also pretty empty, how could anybody able clear up so fast? In the span of 10 minutes. If you go barbecue in park, how many people bother to clear up the pit especially when charcoal's still burning? Anyway it didn't bother us and we continued our barbecue without any other encounters. Anybody have similar experiences at that location too? Could 4 people's eyes be playing tricks at the same time? Till today it still puzzles me, and I always go back there in the middle of the night hoping to prove to myself that we weren't imagining what happened on that fateful night but haven't been successful. Maybe because these days the park is more well lit.